Hello students, today we are going to discuss a small but important rule in chemical bonding, that is the Fagens's rule. Now the Fagens's rule is applicable in the case of ionic compound where there is a slight covalent character. We have seen that in the case of an ionic compound, or we can say that no compound is purely ionic or purely covalent. So when the ionic compounds exhibit some covalent character, it is explained by Fagens's rule. Now this covalent character depends upon two factors. First one, it is the polarizing power of cation, and the second factor is the polarizing, or we can say that it is the polarizability of the anion. So the covalent character depends upon the polarizing power of cation and the polarizability of the anion. So now let us consider the Fagens's rule. Now in the case of an ionic compound, here we are taking an ionic compound. We can take a simple example like NaCl. Na plus Cl minus ion, or we can say that in the case of an ionic compound, how we are representing it, A plus B minus, that is there is a cation and there is an anion. So in this case you can see that the cation and anion, they are getting attracted towards each other because they are having what? They are having an opposite charge. So in this case the cation is having a smaller charge, and around the anions the electrons are distributed. As a result of which, when the anion is getting attracted towards the cation, what will happen? Here you can see that the anion is having a, it is having a what? It is having a spherical shape. So as the anion is moving towards the cation, or as the cation is pulling the electron cloud, negatively charged cloud of the anion towards itself, the spherical shape of the anion gets slightly distorted. Thus, we can see that the spherical shape of the anion has got slightly distorted, or we can say that what? The electrons are now more concentrated towards one side. So, in this case, what is happening? The polarization of the anion has taken place. In this case, you can see that the polarization of anion has taken place. Now, what do you mean by polarization of ion? Here you can say that there is a slight distortion in the spherical shape of what? Spherical shape of anion. Now, when we are saying the polarization of anion, you can see that since the electrons are more concentrated towards here, we can say that a slight, what is taking place? Electron sharing has taken place. And when we say electron sharing, what type of character is that? A covalent character has been developed. Now, in the case of anion, we have seen that the distorted shape and polarization of anion is there. Now, why this polarization is there, or why the electrons are more concentrated towards the cation? Because of cation. So, we can say that because of the what? Polarizing power of the cation. We can say because of the polarizing power of the cation, the size of the anion has been what? Size of the anion has been distorted. So if we take the case of a cation, let us see what are the factors that is affecting. So cation is because of polarizing power of the cation. What is that? The anion has undergone polarization. So let us see what is the first factor. Let us see the size of the cation. Let us take a cation. Here you can see the cation is of a smaller size, and in another case the cation is of a larger size. So out of these two, the smaller one, the cation which is of smaller size, here the electron density will be what? The electron density will be more concentrated compared to the size where it is bigger. Here the smaller one, the electron density is more concentrated. So what will be that? Since the electron density is more concentrated, we can say that smaller the size of the cation, what will be there? The polarizing power of the cation will be greater. Polarizing power will be greater, and if the polarizing power is greater, what is that? We can say that yes, our what character will be greater? Our covalent character will be greater. For example, we are given Na plus and you are given K plus. Out of these two, we know that the smaller size will be of that Na plus. So, the polarizing power will be greater for which ion? Will be greater for Na plus ions. Similarly, the second factor which depends upon the polarizing power is the charge of the cation. First one is the size of the cation. Next one is the charge of the cation. Now, if the charge is greater, what will be there? The polarizing charge. When greater charge is there on the cation, what is that? The polarizing power will be greater. And if the polarizing power is greater, again what we can say that the covalent character is also greater. For example, if we are taking three ions, we have Na plus ion, we have Mg2 plus ion and we have Al3 plus ions. Out of these three, you can see that which one is having a greater charge? Al3 plus ion is having a greater charge and thus greater the charge, greater will be the polarizing power of that cation. Now let us see what are the factors that affect the anion. So anion undergoes what? Polarization, that is the shape is distorted. So again if we consider the size of the anion, you can see here I am taking an anion which is of a smaller size and again I am taking an anion which is of a bigger size. So out of these two, the which one will be having more electron shift? This one, because here what is that? It is quite unstable, it is bigger in size. So as the size of the anion is larger, what will be there? Distortion will be more, or we can say that polarization will be greater. And when the polarization is greater, what will happen? The covalent character also increases. Hope this point is clear. What we have said, since the size of the anion is larger, more easily it can get distorted and thus the polarization will be greater and as a result of which the covalent character will be greater. Second is what? Second is the charge on the anion. Let us see the charge on the anion. So in this case again if we are taking the charge, let us take an example here. Again if the charge on the anion is greater, that is 2 minus or 3 minus like this, if the charge is greater, what will be there? Since the charge is greater, more electron will be distributed. When we say that charge on the anion is greater, the electron will be what? Electron will be more distorted. There will be greater number of electrons, so distortion will be greater and thus we can say that what? Polarizing power will be greater and we are saying the polarizing power is greater. What do we mean? Yes, the covalent character will be also greater. So, the Fajans rule depends upon the polarization and the polarizing ability of the cation, and the cation and anion depends upon certain fact which is the size of the anion and charge on the anion. Hope these things are clear. Let us consider an example. For example, we have been given NaCl, NaBr and NaI. Now, if out of these three, if we are asked which one is having a greater covalent character, you can see out of this one is Cl minus. All the cations are same. But the anion Cl minus, Br minus and I minus. What we have seen, we have already learned that as the size of the anion is larger, it will be having a greater polarization power. So out of this, which of the ion? This one is Cl minus. This one is Br minus, this one is I minus. So which one will be having a greater covalent character? NaI will be having a greater covalent character. Similarly, consider the case of NaCl, KCl and rubidium chloride. So out of these three, the covalent character will be greater in which case? The covalent character will be greater in NaCl. Why? Because here the cation size is smaller. So we have already seen the factors in which if the size of the cation is smaller, the covalent character will be greater and the polarizability will be greater. Hope these things are clear. Thank you.